How to see all comment history on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can view all of your TikTok's comment history. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is update your TikTok app to its latest version. For that, open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, search for TikTok. And after you find TikTok, if you see an update button like this, tap on update and then update your app. After you've done that, open up your TikTok app. After you do that, head over to your profile on the bottom right. So after you tap on the profile option in the bottom right, you should be on this page right here. You will see all of your videos and posts and everything. What you'll need to do is tap on the three lines on the top right. After you tap on that, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. After you're on your Settings and Privacy, you will need to head over to your Activity Center, which is in the Content and Display section. Tap on Activity Center. And after you tap on that, here you will find all of your activities, including your comment history. So tap on the comment history option, and there you will see all of the comments that you have made. From here, you can head over to the post as well, where you just commented, and you can edit the comment as